Hey, what's going on, IMBIZ Empires family? It's Tyler Lamb here, and I'm just shooting this video to go over the follow-up email messages that we have for the team here. We've already crafted some follow-up campaigns for you as the IMBIZ Empires team to use in so that you can follow up with your leads when they come onto your list. And both of these campaign codes are located in the file section of the Facebook group. Right now we currently have two campaigns. We have one for Aweber and we have one for GVO, and once you come into the files tab, you just come over here. This is the Aweber code right here, and then this is the GVO code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you how to load up each of these campaigns in whatever autoresponder you're using. So if you're using Aweber, I'm going to show you that one real quick, and then after that I'm going to show you how to do the same thing with GVO. So we're going to go over first. Before we go over, we're going to copy the share code, and we're going to go over to Aweber. We're going to go ahead and log in. Alright, once we log in, we're going to come up here and we're going to go to messages and follow-up series. Alright, now I already have it loaded in here, but I'm going to go ahead and show you anyway. It's just going to do the same thing. It's going to load it back up. You're going to scroll down here where it says campaign sharing. You're going to come to the box where it says use a predefined campaign by entering the campaign code. So that code we just copied, we're just going to paste it here. We're going to click load campaign. Oops, I copied it wrong. That's why it's doing that. I forgot to put the I at the beginning. Alright, so you just click load campaign. It'll take a few seconds, maybe a minute to load, and then once it loads, where it's going to load these 9 messages into your follow-up series. So I'll give it a few more seconds and it'll load up here. Alright, so once it's finished loading, it's going to put all these email messages in here. So right now we have 9 follow-up email messages as of right now. And you'll see them pre-populate into whatever list you're using for the IMBIZ Empires system. Alright, now what you have to do once these come in here is you're going to have to come into these emails. You're going to have to click on each one of these emails, each one of these 9 emails, and you're going to have to edit the links that are in there, because Todd wrote these emails himself, and a lot of these links have Todd's links or they have Todd's name in the email. So you're going to want to come into these emails and personalize them to yourself. All the copy can remain the same, even certain pictures like this can remain in there, but you want to personalize it to yourself. So instead of, let's say, instead of saying that this is a check that I'm holding, you could say this is a check that my business partner Todd is holding, or something like that. So you just want to customize it to fit you, and then down in all these links are pointing to are pointing to landing pages on the IMBIZ Empires system. Even this image right here, all right, they all go to a certain link. You see over here where it says image URL. You're going to want to change this to your landing page, your sales page for the IMBIZ Empires system. So that's what you're going to want to change it to. And then here, obviously, you're going to want to put your name, and then if he's got to add me on Facebook, you're going to want to put your own Facebook profile and everything like that. So you have to do that for each one of these emails. So you'll come out each time, you'll do that, you'll switch them up, you'll save it, and then you'll just go back through all of them and do the same thing. Make sure they all have your links in there, because if not, when your leads click on these follow-up emails and click on the links, they're going to go to the IMBIZ Empires page, but they're going to be credited to Todd. So you want to make sure you're changing them up here. So once you do that, you'll be good to go, and you'll be set. When you start generating leads in Aweber, they'll automatically start getting these follow-up messages. So I'm going to do the same thing over in GVO. I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to log in. So if you have GVO, we're going to do a similar thing here. So I'm going to come back over to the file in the Facebook group. I'm going to highlight the campaign code, And then we're just going to come down to Autoresponder for GVO. We'll come to the list. We're already on the campaigns tab. We're going to click on list. Alright, we're going to scroll down and you can see you can get copy of campaign by code, or you can get shared campaign by code. So all you want to do is just take it, copy the code in there, click get campaign, and it's going to load it up in here. See, it says IMBIZ Followup, IMBIZ Empires Follow-Up Email Messages. You'll just come down and you should have all these messages right here in your follow-up now. Alright, so if I come back to campaign, you see I already had the IMBIZ Empires follow-up, so it just made another one. So you'll have all those set in there for you. So if I go to that one that it just created, come over to messages just to make sure. Yeah, see, these are all the follow-up messages. Same thing with Aweber. You're going to want to go in here, click the links, and edit all the links in these so that they point to your link for the system. Alright, so you make sure you're getting credit for any sales or anything that happens. So that's all you have to do to load these campaign codes. Once you get that set, the leads that you start generating in either Aweber or GVO will start getting their follow-up missions. Alright, so that's just what I wanted to shoot this video for you guys today. See y'all in the Facebook group. Keep pumping it out, keep rocking it on, and I'll talk to y'all soon.